how you can fix your Asus VivoBook black screen problem. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. Just hold down the power button for 15 seconds. This will force your laptop to shut down completely. Now wait a few seconds, then press the power button again to turn it back on. Here's another method that helped someone. Hold the power button for 15 seconds to shut it off. Now press and hold both the Windows key plus B key, and while holding those, press the power button again. Keep holding until your BIOS screen shows up. This forces your VivoBook to enter BIOS recovery. It's a great way to reset internal errors. Another quick trick. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds straight, then let go and press it once again to turn it back on. Sometimes that's all it takes to wake up a frozen screen. One user shared this clever fix. Hold the power button for 3 to 4 seconds until the power light goes off. Repeat this 3 to 4 times. When the power light stays off, press the power button once more until the laptop starts. Then connect your charger. That combination helped power up the screen again. Here's one more method. Just press and hold the power button for 20 seconds. Wait a few seconds, then power it back on. Sometimes a stuck power process is the issue, and this resets it. If your laptop is always in sleep or hibernate mode, make sure to shut it down properly at least once a day. And that's it. That's how you can fix your Asus VivoBook black screen problem.